Hey everyone, welcome back to FSP, Forex-Stock-Predictions. Hope you are all doing really well. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and let's jump right into it. All right, so today we are on the Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. And we are going to keep this short and simple and right to the point. Okay, let's see what we got here. We had price move impulsively upwards, come back down to retest this line here, which then became a line of support. Bounced right off it, came back down, retested this line of support. Bounced back off it, came back down, sort of again retested the line of support, right? It's subjective. We can move this line sort of in this zone, right? It doesn't have to be perfect every single time price touches because it's just the area that we're looking at, right? Price bounces off. Now, I see 1, 2, 3 taps on this support zone, right? I am looking for price to break through this support zone. Another reason I'm looking for price to break through this support zone is this. We can see price is trending between this flat support line and this descending trend line. Okay, that's just a little piece of added confluence. So that is what I was looking at. Let's delete that. Right? And then I wanted to see price break the support line. And that is exactly what happened. Price eventually did break it. Okay. What happened before it broke though? I go to this area here. Okay, I look at the last bullish candle before price began its journey moving downwards. Yes, there is one here as well before price impulsively broke the support line, right? So technically this is an area of interest too, but as this area is very close to the support line, I wouldn't count it, right? This is why I choose this one. So this little zone is called the order block zone. Yay. Okay, we spoke about this yesterday. So what do we want to see happen? Right, now that we've seen price break this support line, we have a decent order block here, we are looking for price to come back up and re-enter this zone, right, which is where we would take our short position and we would see if price would then carry on moving downwards towards our target. Now we can see this is exactly what happened, right? Late last night, I set up a pending order, right? While I went to sleep, price came up, gave us that beautiful entry. It was a sniper entry, came back up. You can see these wicks, which means there is a lot of strong selling action at this level, right? And price came back down and hit target. Now, because this is the Euro USD, it's a very liquid pair. And for some reason, this pair doesn't like me very much. It always tries to stop hunt me. This is why I included this wick within this order block zone, because some people may just do that. And you can see that had we have done that, we could have easily been stopped out, right? Because I like to put my stop loss a couple of pips above the order block. So I included the wick for that exact reason. So this is a result of backtesting and going through this pair on this time frame, doing the same thing over and over and over again and getting to a conclusion and a whole list of rules and criteria that you can use for yourself. So I would suggest, if you are interested in learning how to trade these order blocks, get on that backtesting horse. Okay, so we had an RR of 1 to 3. Price came down and hit it. The entry was sniped pretty nicely, right, before price came down, and again retested this support line and is now treating it as support again, bouncing off it. So there's a whole bunch of things that we can look at, things that would confirm to us whether this trade is viable, whether we think it should be taken, whether we don't think it should be taken. So again, this is all to do with backtesting. Go through the charts, check it out, and come up with a list of rules for yourself. Can't say it enough. It is extremely important. But that, nevertheless, is today's trade. Played out pretty nicely. I won't look for an RR of 1 to 4 on the Euro USD like I do on the pound dollar. I just find that Euro USD because it's so liquid, it's the biggest and most popular Forex market on the planet, it tends to do a lot of swinging up and down, right? So for that reason, I like to keep the trades relatively short and quick and to the point, and that is why I always aim for a minimum of 1 to 3. Okay, that concludes today's order block trade. Hope you all have a fantastic day further. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will be seeing you all soon on the next one. Have a good day.